Coin update for my trader group, and then I will post it to YouTube about an hour later. But let's look at Bitcoin right now and see what's going on. So, Bitcoin right now, to me, is trying to make a bull pennant, but you must hold this higher low here that we do have on the half-hour time frame at 87K. The second you lose 87,000, it's likely the bull pennant's invalidated and that we are going to get dumped down to 86.7. That's where I have my stop loss on my long right now on the 4-hour time frame, which I'll get to in a second. You can see the 33-minute is also oversold on the RSI. That's again a higher low. So to me, on the 33-minute time frame, Bitcoin is bullish as I say right now. But if you lose 87K or if you make a lower low, it's bearish. It's really that simple. So Bitcoin right now, the bulls must hold 87K. If you lose 87,000, it's game over. And right now I have a measure move of approximately $93,400. So if we jump up to the 1-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame is oversold. Can you get the bounce? That's a question. The 2-hour time frame is kind of, it's trying to roll over. So you need to get the bounce here so that on a price, so the RSI on the 2-hour can reverse back to the upside. And right now I've seen this happen many times. It looks like it's about to roll over. It looks bearish, and then it becomes bullish later on, and you just get a small dip. Like that happened right here. Look, it was a little bit lower on the RSI, but you got a bounce here. It looked bearish, and then you continue your bounce, and you made a higher low before that happened. I don't know what just happened right there. If you look at the 3-hour time frame on the stock RSI, where are we looking at? How are we sitting? My internet is atrocious right now. 3-hour, same situation as the 2-hour and the 4-hour time frame, which I longed. And I longed this because it is, you know, you're not oversold. That's not the best sign, but you're above the 200. That's why I longed it. And my stop loss is below that at $86,600 right now. So we'll see what happens, and I guess that would technically be above it, but the moving average is still coming down on the 4-hour time frame. So you want this to round out and go back up. That's not going to happen if the price dumps right now. You need the price to go sideways and slightly up for the moving average to round out. So right now, overall, though, my stop loss is around that 4-hour, 200-day moving average. And really, though, I'm thinking about moving up before I go to bed here in a little bit because if you lose 87K, I basically say that you're falling out of the pattern, and most times when that happens, you don't get back inside it. Now, sometimes you can get back inside of it, and if you do get back inside of it, you can pretend like it never left. So that is a tighter stop loss. It's a higher chance that I do get stopped out of the trade. But if you want to have a more aggressive stop loss, it's higher likelihood you get stopped out. But if your price goes below 87K, I believe it's likely that you would be dumping down to 86.7, and likely after that 86K. So we'll see what happens. That's the level the bulls must hold is 87K. That's the line in my sand. Right now, honestly, you could have another, this could be another day or two of sideways action before you get a breakout on the 4-hour time frame. So really, it could be another day before we break $88,600, but we'll see what happens. That's my update right now. We must hold 87K, otherwise I would not want to be long on Bitcoin. So again, with that information, looking at the TA just now, for the first time in about 3 hours, I would probably move my stop to 87K. Not financial advice. That's just what I'm doing. I'm going to post this to my trading group, then I'll post it to YouTube. If you guys want to join the trading group, link to join is on my description below. And that's all I got. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I will be live at 11 p.m. Central Time on Saturday. So that's a few days away, but that's when I'll be live next.